Hey guys, this is Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to use Linktree for beginners. Alright, so now here we are on Linktree, and if you're wondering how you can get here, all you have to do is type it here in the search bar of your browser, linktr.ee, and then you will be prompted right here. And now once you are ready to sign up or log in into your Linktree account and get started, then you can click here on sign up. So in this tutorial, we'll be signing up right here. And then from here, we would be able to create a Linktree account by providing our email and of course our username and our password later on. So first one is our email. So I'm gonna just paste this, or you can just do this right here because I have this temporary email right here for this tutorial. I'm gonna paste this, and then from here I would be able to choose my username. So by default, Linktree would paste one for you right here, but I wanna customize this, and maybe I can go for Truths by Kyle, just like that. And now it would be checked if it is available. If now it's available, so now we can proceed by clicking on the create account button. But you also have the option that you can sign up with Google or your Apple account. You can do it in any way right here. So we'll just be going with this way and click on create account. And now from here, we're going to provide our password. So I'm just going to go and type it out right here and click on continue right there. And then from here, we'll be asked with a question on how or what is our name right here, the next one. So let's just wait for it to load. And then right here, tell us your name. So in my case, I'll just go for Kyle and then click on continue. And then it would ask us which category would we belong. So in my case, I'll go for education right here. And now we will go for continue right here. If you don't have any other category that you would like to add, click on continue. And then from here, Linktree would upsell us into the Pro plan of Linktree, and it would encourage us to start a free trial right here. But in my case, in this tutorial, we'll just be going with a free plan since we can do everything already with a free plan, or what I needed with a free plan. But of course, you can feel free to go with the Pro version so that you can have this additional features right here. So we'll just go for click on the free one and click on join for free. And then all we have to do now is confirm our account. And now, as you can see right here, I have successfully confirmed or verified my account. So now I can click on sign in to continue right here. So from here, we can now see our homepage in Linktree. And from here, right away, we can add our link. So in this one, we'll be clicking on this button. And for an example, we'll just be going for google.com right here, since I'm just showing you and how you can do this. And then from here, you can click on add. And then just like that, you now have the google.com right here, and it would appear here. And from here, you can edit the title of this one. So let's say this is a link to where you can buy your products. So where people can buy your products, my products here. So you can name it like this here, and then just like that. And then from here, you have some options right here. So you can go for your layout. You can click on that, and then you can see it right here. So it would appear just like this one right here, or you can make it like this. But yeah, it's depending on how you want it. But in my case, I'll just go for classic. And then from here, I would add a thumbnail. So you can also do that and click on set thumbnail, or you can upload one, or you could choose a tabular icons right here from Linktree. And let's say we would want this to be maybe a bag right here, just like that. Or you can go for a shopping cart or whatever you want. But this is basically how you can design it. And you have some other options, so such as prioritize. So we'll be discussing that later. And then you have your schedule, your lock, and your analytics right here from this link. And then once that's done, then we can now add another link right here. So we're gonna add another one, google.com again, and then just for an example right here. So, or we can go for facebook.com right there and click on add right here. So, and from here we can click on the edit right here. So let's edit it. Edit the main title right here. So let's say we can go for my social, or maybe my shop right here. And then we can go again and change our thumbnail, and then maybe this one right here, and click on choose from Tumblr icons. And then from here we can go for cart right there. And yeah, you can do that. And then right here, we have now the prioritize. So what the prioritize button does is, for example, I would click it right here. And I'm going to click it. As you can see, it would now prioritize this link right here over other links. So you can click on this button right here if you would want to draw the attention of your people or your visitors into this link right here. So yeah, you would want to do this if this is where you would want your customers focus or your people's or visitors focus to be in right here. So you can do that. And as you can see, you have the upgrade now version right here. So you can prioritize this by upgrading your plan right here. So yeah, you can use that feature. But yeah, that is basically it on how you can add your links right here on Linktree. And now I'll be showing you on how you can edit or design. So you need to click here on your appearance tab right here. And then from here, you would have your profile title. So you can go for your bio right here. So let's say this is all about me, just like that. And then of course, from here, you can go and change your profile picture. You can pick an image right here. And then from here, you can have your social icons. So in case you would want to plug your social media accounts, then you can click here. And then from here, you can click on add icon. And then as you can see, you would have the social media platforms right here. So for example, you would want to add your Instagram account, and all you have to do is provide your Instagram username and then log in so that they could verify that it's you, and so on right here. So that is basically how you do it on how you can add your socials right here. And then let's go back into appearance. So now if you're wondering on how you can pick your design, is that you want to scroll down, and then from here you can see your themes, your backgrounds, buttons, fonts, and whatsoever. You can customize that only if you have the pro version right here. So you would really need a pro one if you would want to showcase your brand with custom background images and videos, and pick your font, theme, and buttons, and remove the Linktree logo right here, which I'll be showing you later on. And yeah, this is what you would need. And after that, then if you're satisfied with all of this right here, then you can just go here and to share. And then from here, you can click on copy. And then from here, you can go into another tab, and then you can copy or paste the link right here. And then you can see your Linktree link right here. So this is basically your view on your PC, and this is how it would look like in your mobile device. So yeah, that is basically it for this beginner's updated tutorial on Linktree. So thank you for watching.